A Toy Unboxers production.
We're going to unbox Play-doh Sweet Shoppe Chocolate Pops. We're going to create pretend chocolate pops. It is recommended for 3 years old and above. So the item number is 49685 and 49654. So this is what we're going to make. Remember, it's fun to play with but not to eat. Now let's unbox it. Okay, so these are the pieces inside. There are 2 sticks and 2 molds. And if we turn it upside down, there's also a mini molds here. And we have 1 Play-Doh modeling compound. It's 1 ounce. And we have color brown because it's chocolate pops. Okay, so let's put our modeling compound inside the mold. Let's put some here. Let's get a few pieces so that we can use it for our toppings here. Okay, so press it. Just press it firmly. So with this set comes 1 ounce of modeling clay, so we can just make 1 chocolate pop. Later we will use this other mold. Now the problem is, how do we get this Play-Doh out of the mold? Let's insert our stick and try to scoop it out. Now we will mold this modeling clay and shape it into a ball. Like that. Let's just roll it in your palm. And then put it into our mold. Here, we will use the green mold first. Then press it firmly. And then press it toward the center so that it will slightly detach from the mold, because it's a little bit tricky on how we will remove the modeling clay from the mold. But I found a way that if we put these 2 molds together and then tap it on the table, the modeling clay will fall off. Let's try. There. Isn't it nice? Now we will put our stick here. Press it. It's nice. Our chocolate pop. It looks delicious, but remember, don't eat it. So now we will put the toppings. Let's use the mold under. Okay, this is, what shape is this? This is the heart. Okay. Put 1 heart here. Let's make another heart so that it will be a pair. There. So cute. put it here. There you go. This is our chocolate pop. And we'll make another one. But we need to use this modeling clay also, because we only have an ounce of Play-Doh in this container, so it can just make one chocolate pop. So we'll use the same Play-Doh, and then, oops, we should roll it to a ball so that there will be no sort of folds or creases in our Play-Doh. Okay, just roll it in your palm. And then if it's already shaped into a ball, just press it into the container. Press it firmly. And then our technique is we will pull it towards the center there, so that it will slightly detach from the mold. This set does not come with an instruction on how we will remove the Play-Doh from the mold, but I found a way on how to do it easily. Just put these two molds together and then tap it on the tape until it falls off. There. Just be careful, and then use the stick and press it. There. So nice. Now we will just put the topping. We'll make the flower shape now. Okay, we'll just make one and put it on the center. There, it's so nice. It looks yummy, but remember, Play-Doh is fun to play with, but we can't eat it. So this is it. This is the Play-Doh Chocolate Pops Sweet Shoppe. There are two molds and one Play-Doh, an ounce of Play-Doh modeling compound, and two sticks. But we can only make one chocolate pop with this Play-Doh.
Excited to watch the latest toy unboxing? Subscribe now. It's free. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up.